Welcome to your Disney Magical Adventures. We are at Walt Disney World's Epcot Resort in Orlando, Florida, and about to go on Living with the Land. You are going to see this ride in its entirety from start to finish. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button so you get all the latest content. And comment below with which ride you would like to see next. This ride opened in 1982 along with the Epcot Park and aims to educating visitors about agricultural techniques, sustainable food production, and the history of farming. There are so many hidden gems in this ride, like the behind the scenes tour where guests could take a 1-hour walking tour to visit the labs and the greenhouses up close. The greenhouse on this ride contains more than 15 tons of produce, and those foods are actually served at the Garden Grill restaurant and Sunshine Seasons. There is a live and active laboratory where scientists from Epcot and the USDA conduct research in biotechnology. The greenhouse also once featured a tomato tree, which earned a Guinness Book of World Records for producing over 32,000 tomatoes from a single plant. That's a lot of ketchup. And now let's sit back, relax, and enjoy living with the land.
Yeah, that's a restaurant. Look at the monkey.
In the desert, nature has created a very different, no less beautiful living system. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it's very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun. The American prairie once appeared as desolate as the desert,
Did you know that monkeys can kill snakes?
Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create a rich soil, one day become home to many a farm.
Brains. There's a chicken. Chicken. Chickens.
Forces at work on the land, humans at work.
That was a nice one.
The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods.
That's cool.
for chemical pesticides by breeding and using natural predators, like ladybugs and wasps, to control pests. In the farmlands across America, we're learning that by plowing under vegetation containing natural fertilizers, we can enrich the soil without the use of chemicals.
Water.
In arid regions, we're learning to produce food on desert seacoasts
That's just
by
a boat.
developing
Sorry, that's just a
planting
boat.
crops that thrive on salt water. In Japan, we're learning that by mixing leaves and other living materials into our soil, we can make
The bubbles? Yeah, that's just a boat. But why?
How will we meet tomorrow's growing needs for food production, yet still respect the needs of the land? Some of the answers are being discovered just ahead. To help us maintain these carefully controlled ecosystems and for your safety,
What? I feel
please
like there
remain
was
seated
like,
in your boat at all times.
wasn't there
Yeah, I remember Christmas time and then all decorated.
Guys, I'm getting some tea. Tea. No, tea. Tea on.
Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S.
These
Department of
are all
Agriculture
real plants.
are exploring
Is that real lightning?
ways to
Yeah.
produce sustainable harvests now and into the future.
That was real lightning soil. Cooked.
The tropics are home
Oh,
to
we
the
parked
greatest
over here.
diversity of plants on the planet. Many of
What
these,
is
like
that?
papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee,
that?
and rice,
Chaya.
are well known around the
Behind
world.
it.
These are just a few of the
Look into
edible plants that have been an
Bougainvillea.
important source of nutrition for people living in the
That's what
tropics.
Mommy bought for the front of the
Many are
house.
rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions.
Oh,
Like the watermelon, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. The structure of the plant has fluid used to make flour for baking.
fluid pumpkin. Ew. Fluid.
One day, many of these lesser-known
Dude.
tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both
Hibiscus.
sides of the boat.
Hibiscus.
More than 28 million tons of
Mommy,
bananas
look,
are
it's
eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world.
That's a banana. Where's the banana? Is it a banana? Banana Here are the fishes. Fishy. Those are real. All the animals.
Like the ones you see here, are some of the more popular crops raised by fish farming. The sustainable system using here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around Walt Disney World. Innovations like this play an important role in our efforts to use chemical harvests and still protect natural resources. While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here, wheat, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world.
Daylily. sugar cane. Ooh, I want sugar cane.
These plants are definitely on their way up. Innovative growing techniques like
Look,
these
that's a
increase
cucumber.
yield,
Those
while
are big
more efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides.
Cucumber.
Another innovation at work is our integrated pest
There's
management
snakes.
program. By populating our greenhouses with beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests like aphids and flies, we are significantly reducing our reliance on conventional pesticides. We're growing these crops using our nutrient-filled
NFT means not for trade. It actually doesn't. Where?
Produce over 27,000 tons of lettuce a year in this one small area.
NFT means not for trade. Tomato food. Spiral nutrient film technique. Whoa, that was spinning. Vertical farming. Since when can you farm Lean and tower technique. Oh, sorry. More cucumbers. Dianthus. Guys, let's eat some dianthus. What about Marty? Marigold. What? Marigold. Doesn't look gold to me.
The future of agriculture.
Guys, look, it's literally called edible flower.
Plants grown in this
Can we
way
eat it?
use a fraction of the space required by traditional
also
growing
edible
methods.
flower
That
there.
saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding and better quality plants. These greenhouses represent just a fraction of the work being done worldwide to produce bountiful harvests for our growing population.
We're not on there yet.
Scientists, farmers, and even backyard gardeners are doing their part to improve the quantity and quality of food that we all rely upon. Together, we continue to find more ways to increase food
I know.
and protect our precious natural environment.
That's why with the green beans is you.
Correct.
The land. On behalf of Walt Disney World Resort, we'd like a closer look and check out the behind-the-scenes walking tour. It's a chance for the whole family to get up close and personal with the plants and growing things in our laboratory. Please keep your hands and feet inside the room.
And that is the Living with the Land ride at Walt Disney World's Epcot Resort. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button for more content like this. Until next time, thank you for watching.